Hello everyone, welcome to join this video tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to talk about some basic chart display settings in our technical analysis tool. Um, let's start up our application. Okay, so the chart is very important for our analysis. Basically, the technical analysis, we're using the chart a lot, and let's import some of the data into the application. At the moment, there is no data. I'm going to use Australia stock user-defined data um, for this demonstration, for this demo. Let's just import our data for now. Um, so you guys will have your own habit to use the chart. For example, you like your background color. Uh, some people like the bar chart. Some people like the candlestick charts. So let's talk about this chart settings. Okay, the data is imported successfully. All right, basically in the second menu next to the file, the display settings, for now we have 4 different menu items. Let's open up them all and explain it one by one. Cool. All right, so let's open a very popular stock chart, which is BHP in Australia. I'm assuming you guys knows this stock. It's a big miner in Australia, and the chart is opens up. Okay, so in this chart, the toolbar menu is from the left to the right. The first one is showing your daily chart. If you click that, it will show you the daily chart. The second one is a weekly chart, a monthly chart. Uh, the last one's a yearly chart, but don't think it's going to be used too often. But yeah, we do have this yearly chart option. Uh, the weekly chart is that I'm use it a lot. So let's put in the weekly chart for now. Okay, so next to it is the bar chart icon. If you click that, it will show you a bar chart. And next to it is the candlesticks. That's my favorite candlestick chart. This one is the line chart. Okay, so we have two bar show line chart. Okay, the one next to the line chart is the gas wind chart. So I'm not sure everybody uses this type of chart, but yeah, this one of the chart type some people will use. L means the log scale. Okay, the log scale chart, and if you click that, that's the normal scale. This one is the volume. If you click on that, you can see the daily. You can do the weekly volume displaying here. It tells you volume. Okay, that's a very important information. Okay, next to it is your indicators. As you can see, for now, in the first release, we provide this many indicators. We do in the future release, we're gonna add more, useful, frequently used indicators, or most requested indicators will be added in uh, to this list that you can use. The one next to it is the drawing tool. You can see this is a floating uh, the drawing window that is transparent. You can move it even to another screen. So yeah, those are just many options here, and I can draw on the chart. All right. So, but the focus of this tutorial is the basic chart setting. Okay, so we already opened up all the chart settings here. Let's examine the first one. So basically, this settings here is help you to set up this chart um, according to your habit. All right. The overall chart color settings. So you can change your background color. Okay, so if you can change the back color, you can see the chart becomes black. Second one is the grid rectangle colors. Basically, it shows you the year and the price. If you want to be black as well, or you want to be slightly different, you can change the color from here. Now, next one is the crosshair line. That's if you click that cross right here, then brings up the crosshair indicate the helper utility that helps you to identify the year, the date, and the price. If you put it on the individual bar, in here I will show you details of that single week or single day or month, open, high, load, close, and volume informations. Okay, so that color is defines this. For example, you want to be the blue, you can see that becomes blue. Yeah, so that just tells you what color you want to display here. Let's turn it off for now. Chart tick color is basically those year and the price text color. For example, if you chose it to the red or pink, sorry, you can see it becomes pink. So it's help. You know, it's just according to your own habits, you can change it. The year text basically is the green at the moment. You can change as well. And if you want to change it to light to cayenne, okay, so you've changed it. As you can see, that becomes the light blue. All right, so if you are we provide a reset button. If you click here, it's going to be reset everything back to the original settings. So that's blue. As you can see, it's changed back to the default. All right, so that's the first one. That's the overall. We do have a save button here, so which means if you save it, let's change it one more to light gray. Okay. All right, if you click save, means you're happy with the setting. You want to open every chart in the setting. If you save it, you can see if you close it and then you open that PHP again, so you can see the chart opens up as according to your settings. Okay, even though after you save it, you also can reset back. So yes, if you click, you can always reset it back. All right, let's go into another one. That's your bar chart settings. Basically, it defines some other categories and the properties of the chart. In some part of the world, people are used to use the green as the upper bar and the red color as down bar. So, and in China or Asia, some countries like their different habit. They like to using the red color as the upper bar, and they use the green color as the down bar. So you can do that change here and save it. So that's reverted back. The blue color means the outsider bar. You can also change it the color. So let's change it back to the blue. All right. So the X interval length means how narrow you want to chart is. If it's a lot of data, you want to narrow it, or if it is a very loose chart you like, you can just move this spinner to the right, and then the chart interval increased. Okay, so reset back. That's the also you can save it. Let's just revert that color as I just mentioned before and save it. Okay, all the upper days will show in red. All the down days, it will show in green, right? Okay, let's open our chart. For example, we're going to open Commonwealth Bank of Australia, CBA. If you press that, as you can see, the upper days are in red color, down there's in green color. This will look more comfortable for some people from Asia area, Pacific area. Cool. Now let's reset it back. Moving to the last one, the line chart settings. That's pretty easy. Some people like to use in the line chart because the line chart's collecting all the closing price for each bar. Okay. You can change the color. For example, the line chart was, and you save it. Okay. You can change the the line width. You can do a little bit thicker and save it. Okay, so all the charts in line chart were showing like this way in this color. That's pretty much similar with others. Let's just open up another one. Let's open National Bank, NAB, National Bank of Australia. Let's open up the line chart. As you can see, the line chart shows in green color. Cool. Let's save it. Now the last one is the Gantt green chart. So pretty much it's similar with the bar chart. You can define the upper color. Let's say in the down color. Not very obvious. Let's just make it yellow. So yeah, you can change those two color, and you can change the line width, and also you can reset back, and you can save it as well. Let's reset everything. Okay. Now the last one I want to tell you is let's try something as we finish up our settings. A couple of settings here, and then we save it. Okay, so let's close our application. You can right click, close all the charts, and you click here and exit application. Let's restart the software. As I mentioned before, it should remembers all the settings that you already saved. So I'm not sure what you guys normally use. I mean the background color. So yeah, everybody have a different habit. Let's import the same market, which is Australia, or data from that ASX data folder. Yeah, because I have a lot of more data than my memory capacity, so the software picks up a very safe range to load in as much as data as possible, and not exceeds my memory capacity. So they pick up dates. That's quite smart. So all right, now let's stop any other chart. For example, Rio Tinto. That's a big miner as well. As you can see, the background is still in color black, and this rectangle, so the price and the year displayed in gray. Yep, that approved me. This settings for customer settings are saved. Let's reset it back. Save. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye for now.